night craving coming at you for another round of boiled seafood. This time we got boiled snow crab. Oh yeah, old tiger. Yeah, as you can see, I got 10 pounds and I got 2 boxes snow crab all the way from Greenland. Oh yeah. I'll show you guys. Does that look good or what? I got 20 pounds worth of snow crab. Man, look at that. Woo. Got that pot boiling right there. About to go down. Oh yeah. Put a lid on it. What the pot looks like after I turn off the burner. Here we go. The moment of truth. Woo-wee. Man, that smells good. Man, I wish you guys could smell this. Look how good that looks. 20 pounds of snow crab. Does that look good or what? Man. You hungry? Alright, we're about to plate this. It's gonna be some good eating. Woo-wee. Look good or what? Alright guys, here it is. Steaming hot. We're about to bring this inside and tear it up. Man, that smells good. I'm gonna let it drain a little bit and bring it inside. Man, does that look good or what? It's hot. Ooh. Let me show you guys. So look at that. Snow crab. All the way from Greenland. Ooh, it's hot. I can get. Let's get this one right here. Ooh, that's a big one right here too. Damn, y'all, look at this. Ooh wee. Look at the color of that one. Spicy and hot. Man, that smells good. Y'all see that? Nice looking size. Man, we're about to bring this inside and dip it with some butter. I got lemon butter and garlic butter. Ooh wee, it's gonna be good eating. Alright, let's bring it in. Alright guys, there it is. We got a full plate. 20 pounds worth of snow crab. Boiled Cajun style. Like I said, it's gonna be a lot of good eating. We got corn, potatoes, sausage. Man, they all look good. Man, I can smell that butter. I got my eyes on that plate right there. I got my name written all over it. Hell yeah. Look at that sausage. Man, the sausage. Alright guys, here's the finished product. Boiled Louisiana style Cajun snow crab. Look at that. Look at the cost of that one. You got the man, the sausage. You got your corn, you got the tater. Alright, dig in. Potato. Dip in that garlic butter. Oh man, that's good. Very garlicky.
Everybody's so quiet.
Tastes good without dipping.
Maybe
Good?
sausage.
Man, that garlic butter's good though.
Ew, I'm sausage.
Oh man. Man, the sausage.
Is it Manda?
Yep. And it's hot and spicy too.
The potato's so good.
It is. Dip in that garlic butter.
Oh no.
Me too. Seafood diet. Perfecto. Not wasting any. All the knuckles, everything.
Too garlicky.
Sausage. That's right here. Sausage. Dip in that garlic butter. Oh my goodness. Bon appetit.
Spicy, huh?
The garlic butter is really good with the potato.
What?
It's good with the potato.
Yeah. You dip in that garlic butter, it's good. Savage. Oh man. No lie. That garlic butter is good. Y'all see that? Dip in that garlic butter. Look at that dripping. Oh, that's good.
Oh, yum.
That's damn good. But you know what? When you got that midnight craving, you're still gonna eat it. Yes, sir. Look at that. So good. Oh yeah, so good. That corn's good too. Sweet.
Corn very sweet.
Oh man. It is sweet. Like I said before, guys, y'all help me out. Help me reach 50,000 subscribers. We're gonna have a crawfish bowl for you guys. Once I get to 50,000 subscribers, I might invite 20 of my subscribers to all you can eat boiled crawfish till your eye pops out. Hell yeah. And that's no lie either. $50,000 subscribers. That's the magic number right there, guys. Bring it up. And we're gonna have fun eating crawfish, all you can eat. How's the snow crab, Chris?
It's good.
Oh. Oh man, the sauce is everywhere. Y'all see that? Man. Tell you what, I love seafood.
Can you boil scallop?
No.
Good. You put scallop.
See a scallop. That's it. That's the way to go.
You never tried the using the crawfish boil, boil the scallop.
See a scallop and butter. That's it. But this, yeah, man, it's good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, I would love you guys to join the Midnight Craving gang. Until next time, if you like the video, give this video a thumbs up. I see you guys next time. Peace. Peace.